This time, I need to read the pretext for this program. Punjab, which means a land of 5 rivers, is a northern state. Everybody know that. Bhangra is associated with Punjab, which means a person intoxicated with joy. And this dance is one of the most energetic and captivating dances in India, full of rhythm. Gidda is performed by women, enacting verses called bolis and rhythm of hand claps. We present to you a glimpse of Punjabi dance through our joyful dance depicting newly wed woman. Not sure if all of them are newly wed, but sharing her household experiences by impersonating her in-laws in a fun-filled manner. Please welcome Monal Khandelwal, Amrita Dubey, Sandhya Janaskar and Leena Prabhu for